Good evening to all of you. I hope all of you are able to hear me. Am I audible? Okay. So let's get started. And today it's very important point. And now we are reaching to the end of the permutation and combination. So careful. So this is a homework because this question generally homework I don't discuss at the end only. We'll discuss all the homework, but I'm discussing this question because it was continuous. So we were talking about that key how to distribute identical object. Be clear, identical object into the groups if size of group is not defined, not given. So that application we were talking, and this is what the homework was given, and few people given answers, not everybody, and I know the name of the people also who given the answers. Maximum of them are correct. They ask find the non-negative integral solution of this equation. In this question, the only key point came that there the 3a become. If the 3a become, so now we have to make the cases. Either you make the cases and do what the cases. I'm just discussing. Maybe you got the answer, but listen carefully. Here 3a is there. So what I can do, we can remove this. We can take the cases. Let's say a equal to 0. First case, count number of solution. Then a equal to 1 I can put it, count number of solution. A equal to 2 I can put it, count number of solution. A equal to 3 I can put it, count number of solution. Right? A equal to 4 I can put, a equal to 5 I can put, a equal to 6 I can put, a equal to 7 I can put, a equal to 8 I can put. But further I cannot put. I hope you can understand. A equal to 8 if you put it, so b plus c equal to 0. That is possible, no problem. But a equal to 9 if you put it, what will happen? This will become 27 and b plus c will become negative, which is not possible. Yes, that is not possible. B plus c cannot be negative. B plus c can be 0. Yes, of course can be 0 because all the 24 gone to the 3a and b plus c will be surely 0. B plus c can be 0, no doubt. So what we can do is, I'm telling the possible counting method. Equal to 1 if you put it, what will happen? This will become 3. It will go this side. So your question will become, I'm sorry. Here we have to calculate. A equal to 0 if I'm putting to b plus c equal to 24. And b plus c equal to 24, this solution will become what? 24 plus 2 minus 1. I hope remember everybody. 2 minus 1. Or you can say 26 minus 1, 25. 25 C1 means 25. Means there are 25 solutions. There are 25 possible solutions which will satisfy this equation. This is what the meaning. Then a equal to 1 we will put it and we will calculate it. But it will go so long. But the idea you will understand from here only. What actually happening. When a equal to 0, so how many solutions are there where a is 0? So we can say 0, 2, 22, 0, 1, 23. Like that. How many solutions? 25 solutions will come. What exactly logic we apply? We put up a equal to 0. So we got b plus c equal to 24. And this equation, number of solution, what you will get it, 24 will distribute it only b and c because a is 0. So there are 25 solutions are there where a is 0. Do you understand? Right? Similarly, a equal to 1 also we can do the things. A equal to 2 also we can do the thing. So this plus this number of solution we can calculate. This is the one way of doing. But you can understand it's a calculation will be very huge. So we can do by this way. This is the 24th, this is the what the solution, we have to find it out. Carefully watch everybody. This solution we have to find it out. So now what we can do it in this case, there is a problem with this. So I can write this one, b plus c equal to 24 minus 3a. A is the non-negative integer. Already given a, b, c non-negative integer. So this will be also some non-negative integer. The moment when I say, so this become, we can say we have to solve this equation where this number 24 minus 3a is there. So number of solution will be how many? Try to recall. If I say x plus y equal to capital N, what is the number of solution? Non-negative integral solution. You say n plus 2 because 2 group is there, minus 1 c, 2 minus 1. The same logic here. 24 minus 3a plus 2 minus 1 c2 minus 1, which will be nothing but 25 minus 3a c1, and which will be equal to 25 minus 3a. That means number of solution is equal to 25 minus 3a. But you'll say, sir, answer is coming in term of a. So put what is the possible value of a? A can be what? A can vary from where to where? A can be 0 also, and a can go up to what? 8 only. Because 9, if you put it here, so this value will become negative. And number of solution, how can be negative? So that will be till 8. To expand this one, you'll get what? Sigma a equal to, those who are not comfortable with the sigma, they will also understand, don't worry. Minus sigma 3 will come out. 3 into sigma a equal to 0 to 8a. So this value means what? 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25. How many times? 9 times. Don't say 8 times because you are starting from 0. 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, 9 times. So 25 into 9 minus 3 into, this is the sum of 8 natural number. I am sure कि everybody know this formula. कि भाई 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus till n always equal to n into n plus 1 by 2. That formula we can use it directly, and we are going to get it what? This is what? A miss a equal to 0 if you put it to 0 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 8. Till 8. That means sum of 8 natural number to 8 into 9 by 2. This will become 225 minus, and the 4, 4, 9, 12, 12, 9 are 108. So answer will be 117. This is the answer. This is the answer. Please confirm how many people got this answer same. 117. Same answer, how many people got it? Nearly 10 people given answer. So I know them. Okay. Now, so this is the one of the questions which I feel you should do the thing to this. Right? Now, fine. Sometimes calculation mistake can be happen. Don't worry about that. What? That is the calculation mistake is not about. All of you able to understand the logic what actually happening. Whenever identical object is there, which we have to distribute into the group, to this logic will be applied. This is what the logic will be applied. Here, so many conditions and all can be applied that will be seeing in different way. You'll understand much better way in the multinomial theorem. So this logic in different ways can be applied. one of the way which I given to as a poll question. I don't know how many people given me the answers of the poll question. So let me see that who is given the answers. I will ask somebody to send me the screenshot. Okay, so I got this. Okay. Because this poll question is the really good question. I asked purposely to mention that. Okay. Because this poll question, and I will really discuss about this question. Because this poll and I will really discuss about this question. And I will really discuss about this question. It's a very good question. And I can see that maximum people given the wrong answer. And I can see that the answer of this question must be 27. The answer of this question must be 27. How many of you got 27? You can do manually also. Simple question. How many of you got 27? You can do manually also. Simple question. How many of you got 27? You can do manually also. Simple question. Yeah, my sound was weakening. Yeah, now it will be all right, I guess. Yes. Now it will be all right. Don't worry. Don't worry. Now is it okay to everybody? Fine. This question, understand the logic behind this question. It's a very beautiful question. And I can see that maximum people are giving 30. I don't know from where this got the great idea. First, understand question and try to convert in mathematics language. A, B, C. We have to find out the integral solution of A, B, C equal to 30. Of course, non-negative mention 0 cannot be happen by. Hello. A into B into C, anyone cannot be 0. Because otherwise product will become 0. It's a simply mention non-negative, but we have to find out the positive integral solution. A, B, C, non-negative I mentioned so that negative integral solution you should not be. Because negative also possibility is there. A equal to -1, B equal to -2, C equal to 50. That is also possible. So this case I will not consider because it's mentioned non-negative integral solution. So logic try to apply. If I say A plus B plus C equal to 30, then it's very easy. This 30 object I have to distribute into the ABC. So we'll simply say answer 3 plus 30 plus 3 minus 1 C2. That will be answer. It's very easy. Here, this is also very easy. In fact, much easier than the other things. ABC equal to 30. Can I write ABC? 30 can be write in prime number? Yes, I can write 2 into 3 into 5. Prime number I wrote. Yes or no? A can be what? Listen me carefully. I will go very slowly. A can be what? A may be 2 power x1 into 3 power y1 into 5 power z1. Right? A can be maybe 2 into 3 into 5. Maybe A can be this also 2 into 3 power 0 into 5 power 0. A can be 2 power 0 into 3 power 0 into 5 power 0. Yes or no? This is the only possibility. B can be what? 2 power x2, 3 power y2, 5 power z2. C can be what? 2 power x3, 3 power y3, 5 power z3. Am I right? Now, A, we put it here. So what we can say, this side, if you put this value, you'll get 2 power x1 plus x2 plus x3 into 3 power y1 plus y2 plus y3 into 5 power z1 plus z2 plus z3 is equal to 2 power 1 into 5, 3 power 1 into 5 power 1 are. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. The only possibility is what from here? Ki x1 plus x2 plus x3 must be equal to 1 and wait, this must be equal to 1 because no other possibility, because this prime will be equal to this prime only. And y1 plus y2 plus y3 must be equal to 1. z1 plus z2 plus z3 must be equal to 1. Speak out. We have to, number of possible value of ABC means number of possible value of x1, x2 means number of solution of this equation and this equation and this equation. How many solution of this equation? This is very simple. 1 plus 3 minus 1 C. 1 plus 3 minus 1 C, 3 minus 1 2. Means this will become what? 3C2 means 3. Number of solution, this also 3 because same condition, this also 3. So total number of possibility will be what? 3 into 3 into 3 means 27. There are 27 possible values. 27 possible values. Everybody understood the point. See, order pair means what? Some people have the difficulty. Means 1, 1, 15, 1, 15, 1 having same thing or not. It's not same thing because 1, 15, 1 means, 1, 15, 2 means A is 1, B is 15, C is 2. Please confirm everybody understood or not. Is this clear to everybody? Let's see one more question on this pattern. Any question, you can create question. ABC, non-negative integral solution of ABC equal to, I'm not giving very big because otherwise calculation will be very high, 45. Quickly, I will give you exactly 2 minutes. Less than 2 minutes I will give, not 2 minutes. Number of positive integral solution of this. The positive integral solution we should say, non-negative, that does not mean 0 cannot come now. Here ABC, anyone cannot be 0, otherwise total product will become 0. Quickly, as fast as. Now no need of writing that many steps. Logic you understood. I don't know answer. I don't know answer. If you want, I can solve it, but at the same time. I think these are much simpler than the previous also. Yes. Maximum people are giving the answer. Anybody else? Quickly. This much time don't take. Oh, one person given different answer. I think Kaushik given different answer. Kaushik, check your calculation. Look at here. ABC equal to 45. Arey bhaiya, ABC equal to 45 means 3 square into 5. This is much simpler. A will be what? A will be 3 power x1, 5 power y1. B will be 3 power x2, y power 5 power this. So I will say x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal to 2. And y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal to 1. This will be solution will be what? 2 object, 3 group, identical object. So 2 plus 3 minus 1 C3 minus 1. So 5 minus 1 4C2. 4C2 is the 6. And this will be 3 plus 1 minus 1 C2 will be equal to your 3C2 means 3. So this and this, both conditions satisfy, and to multiplication 18 will be the answer. So many people given 18 also answer. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. Those who did not give the answer, please confirm, is it clear? Number of integral solution, whatever way they are asking question can be. Of course, we can do by so multinomial. Multinomial is the most powerful tool in the whole permutation combination, which we'll discuss later. But in JEE, you will never find a single question which cannot be done without using it. All question can be done by using basic fundamental, no need of multinomial theorem. Now, one more question and then let's go into whatever. There is no end of the question. You can create your own question. Let's make it 3 number, A, B, C, D, 4 number, sorry. Or what we should take? 210. Find the positive integral solution. Find the positive integral solution. Find positive integral solution. Find positive integral solution. Number of, not sorry, I'm sorry. Find number of positive integral solution. Very quickly, everybody. So many people give an answer. Is it correct? Let's try. A, B, C, D. I'm not writing the steps. I hope you can understand. A will be, this 210 can be factorized. 3 into 70 means that will be 3 into 35, 2 into 35, and 35, 5 into 7. So 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. I hope I did correct. Yes. 2, 3, 5, 7. These are coming. So all are 1, 1, 1, 1. So A, only one I'm writing. Rest you can use it directly. 2 power x1 3 power y1, 5 power z1, 7 power w1, something like that. So finally we'll get what? x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 is equal to 1. Oh, similarly, y1 plus y2 plus y3 plus y4 is equal to 1. Similarly, z1 plus z2 plus z3 is become very simple question here. I thought that it will become lengthy. That's why I was relaxed. But all of you broken. So 4 plus 1 minus 1, 4 plus 1 minus 1, C, 4 minus 1, C3. And that will become what? 4C3, 4C3 is the 4. This will be also 4. This will be also 4. This will be also 4. So 16 into 6, 16 into 16, 4 power 4. 4 power 4. So I think 256 will be the answer. 256 will be the answer. Am I clear? Is it clear to everybody? Those who could not solve it. So I hope this kind of questions, you can see, be clear. They don't think, sir, acha, this is the only type of question. Question can create any kind of. The logic has to be clear. What exactly logic? They can ask you question based on prime number, LCM, these, that, all the information they can use it. But you should know that what exactly has to be done, and that will come only by practice. Chaliye. So what we learned till now? Till now, what we learn, if different objects are there, and we have to break into the group, size of group is defined. Size of group is defined, we discuss. If size of group is not defined, then identical object distribution we discuss. Identical object, be clear. Size of group is not defined. But there is a chance that objects may be different. There is a chance that objects may be different. Right? So, give the heading, distribution of n different objects into R groups. Case 1. What will be answer if empty group allowed? Anyone can tell me answer. Two cases will be there. One, if empty group allowed. Another, if empty group not allowed. Empty group not allowed, that we'll discuss later. Not allowed. Right now, I'm talking that if empty group allowed, what will be answer? Anybody can tell. It's oral. You can tell. Don't think as a okay distribution. This is simple, normal procedure thing. There are R boxes are there. I'm having n different object. How can I fill it? If empty group allowed. Practically think. What is your job? Your job is to throw those objects into the boxes. How many ways you can throw if empty group is allowed? If empty group allowed, how can we throw? So simple things. Yes, somebody give an answer. Try to recall. When I start permutation combination, I start with such kind of question. We are having, suppose I say I am having 5 different objects. Let's say 5 coin I am having, and there are 3 boxes. How many way I can throw it? The first coin can go in 3 way, second coin can go in 3 way, third coin can go 3 way. Yes or no? So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times. So there the n object R group. So first object I will throw like this. How many ways it can go? N ways. Second object also N ways. Third, R ways. First object can go R ways because R boxes are there. Second object also can go by R way, either this here or here or here or here. So R into R into R into N time R power N. Very simple. R power N. R power N. I'm sure it's clear to everybody. It will be R power N. My first object can go by R ways, second object can go by R ways, third object can go by R ways, and so on. So R power N. If empty group allowed. If empty group not allowed, then slightly problem. Either you do manually, which will be taking a lot of time. Use this recursion formula. This is called the recursion formula. Sigma I equal to 0 to R minus 1 power I RCI into R minus I whole raised to N. If empty group not allowed. If empty group not allowed. Without this also you can do. Without formula also you can do, but it will take a lot of time. So that's why I will suggest you that use this formula very easily. Sigma I equal to 0 to R minus 1. R is the number of groups. Minus 1 power I into RCI into R minus I raised power N. Have you noted? Correct? How this formula is coming? Without formula, how we'll do? We'll do in the example. Don't worry. Right? Now, I will show you my question. Write a question. In how many ways 5 different balls can be placed in 3 different boxes so that first mix any box can contain any number of balls. Second bit, every box must contain at least one ball. Question meaning understand? Just wording is different. That's all. We have to place 5 different objects into 3 different boxes, so that first bit saying any box can contain any number of balls, means 0 balls also can contain, means empty box is allowed. So first bit answer very simple. First ball can go by 3 ways, second ball can go by 3 ways, third ball can go by 3 ways, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 power 5. Yes or no? So that will be answer. 3 power 5 how much? 9, 27, 81, 243. 243. Right? Second bit, think carefully. Second bit, what is saying? Ki empty group not allowed. At least one ball in each box. Right? The empty group not allowed. So we'll use the formula or we use manually. Both the method I will do, so that when I will do manually, you will understand really logic behind it. First, I'm using formula just to confirm what exactly answer, and then we'll start the manually. How you'll do? Sigma I equal to 0 to R minus 1. What is the R here? R here, 3. So 3 minus 1 means 2. Into minus 1 power I, RCI means 3CI, into 3 minus I, R minus I, 3 minus I, raised power N, 5. Now sigma expansion you should know. It's a very, very simple sigma expansion. How to do? Just put I equal to 0. I'm putting I equal to 0. So minus 1 power 0, 1, 3C0. So minus 1 power 0 into 3C0 into 3 minus 0 power 5. This is the I equal to 0, putting the value when I equal to 0, plus sigma means plus. Now put next value of I equal to 1. So it will become minus 1 power 1, 3C1, 3 minus 1 raised power 5. Now put I equal to 2. I equal to 2 minus 1 power 2, 3C2, 3 minus 2 raised power 5. All the value of I put up till 2 we have to go. Now calculate the value. This value 1, 3C0, 1, 3 power 5, 243. Minus 1 power 1 minus, so that's why minus I wrote it. 3C1 is the 3, 2 power 5 is the 32, 32 into 3, 96. Yes, yes. Plus, this is 1, 3C2 is the 3, and this is the 1, so plus 3. So this will become minus 93 plus 243, 150. 150. Is it clear? Is this clear to everybody? Everyone understand? Okay. Can we do those questions? Suppose we lost memory and we forgot the formula. We cannot remember every time. But I will suggest this formula you should remember. Because by chance, if you forgot this formula, you have to spend a lot of time. So this formula must remember. But I will tell you without the formula. Because without formula, knowing is then only you can make cases. When in JEE Advance question will be asked, they will ask question in such a way that directly formula you should not able to apply. So you should understand what exactly logic. This is the recursion method. What is the recursion method? I will tell you exactly. Question is what? Ki 5 different balls. 5 different balls are there and there are 3 boxes. Let's say 5 different balls are there. I am giving the name. Let's say B1, B2, B3, B4, B5. Just give a name. And 3 different boxes. 3 different boxes. So let's say this is box 1. Let's say call it box A. Let's call this one box B. Let's call this box C. 3 boxes. Right? We have to place in such a way so that no box empty. I don't know sigma formula. First thing, I will simply paste. No condition. In how many way ball 1 can go? 3-way, second 3-way, third 3-way, fourth 3-way, 5 3-way, means 3 power 5. I know this is the wrong answer. In this, what are the cases? In this, those cases is also included when no box empty. Those cases also included when 1 box empty. Those cases also included when 2 box empty. Yes or no? 100% sure all box cannot be empty. 3 power 5 contain what? This means what? This is containing what? This containing no empty box. Or this is containing 1 empty also. That case also included. This is containing 2 empty box also. That case also included here. Yes or no? I want what case? I want this case. So this case will be what? This total minus this minus this. I hope everybody able to understand my point. So no empty, we can say 3 power 5 minus 1 empty. Minus 2 empty. That case I will remove. That's all. We'll get the answer. Yes. So one by one. First I am solving this 1 empty. This is the question. This is the final answer. Here we'll put the value. 1 empty case I am going to do properly watch. Very important concept. We learn a lot from here. One empty means I have to distribute these 5 balls into 3 boxes in which one empty. One empty. Maybe A can be empty. Maybe B can be empty. Maybe C can be empty. So first I will select a box which is empty. I will select a box which is empty. So out of 3, 1 box I selected. This is the selection of the box which I have to maintain empty. Blank. That box I selected. I don't know which box came, but one of the box came. Whatever box came, I will hide behind me so that the ball should not fall in that. Now I am having two boxes and 5 balls. Yes or no? I'm having 2 boxes and 5 balls. These 2 boxes should be filled. No one is empty because we are doing one empty. Have you understand my question? Now the picture becomes something like this. I'm having 5 balls and 2 boxes. This is a brand new question. No empty box. So again same drama. First free distribution, I will say 2 power 5 because this can go by 2a, 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 minus. Are you able to understand? Minus. I will remove that case when one empty. Because in this, one empty can be happen. One empty in how many way can be happen? 2C1, I will select that. Into 1 box left, all will go in that box, only one way. Have you understand the point? This is the case what? When both this all 5 will go in these 2 only. So finally, this part somebody will have problem. 2 power 5, 32 minus this one. 2C1. 2C1 is the 2 and this will become 32 minus 2, 31. That will become what? 93. This line everybody understood? Please tell me. Then only I can proceed further. Is this point clear to everybody? The logic what I applied, 1 box I selected, I thrown out. 2 box left, all 2 should be, I will fill so that no 32, something wrong I did? Yeah, 30, sorry. Some calculation. 32 minus 2, sorry, 90. Is this clear to everybody? This is the main point. If you understood this, it's over. Yeah, 30. I did a mistake, calculation mistake. This is the 90 will be there. Right? Now, so this is the 1 empty, 90. Now 2 empty. That is very simple. 2 empty is very, very simple. First select 2 box, so 3C2A into 1 box left situation. 1 box left, 5 ball. In how many way you can distribute? Only one way. All 5 will go there. So into 1. Is this clear to everybody? So this value will become what? 3. So now final answer. 3 power 5, 243 minus 1 empty, 90 minus 2 empty, minus 3. The value will be how much? 243 minus 93 will be 150. I hope everybody understood the point. Is this clear to everybody? Please confirm. Is it clear to everybody? I'm not getting confirmation from everyone. Please make sure to confirm everybody. Manually, I will not suggest you, because you can understand, if by chance if it's a 4 group and 6 7 objects, then it will be take a lot of time. Sigma also it will take a lot of time, but you should understand this kind of how we should handle that one. This kind of thing. Use the formula as well as also whenever for solving question. For example, write a question: in how many ways? In how many ways 5 different objects can be distributed among 4 people so that exactly one person get 0 object. See, question wording, please go ahead. I'm just simply making it. Question should be made beautiful. In how many ways 5 different fruits can be distributed 4 different children. I'm not doing that way. As in the mind is coming, I'm writing. Question meaning understand, I will solve it watching. 5 different object I have to distribute into 4 people, means 4 group. But there is a line so that exactly one person get 0 object. Exactly one person. One particular person they did not say. Exactly one person. So maybe person 1, maybe person 2. So first I will select the person who is not getting anything. So 4C1 way I can select. I got one person. I will throw him out of the door, because he don't have to get anything. What he will do inside here? So now 3 person left, 5 different object. I have to distribute into 3 group. Just now we solve it. That's why I taken example that way. So 5 different object into 3 group. Just now we solve 150. So into 150, your answer will become 600. Do you understand? Whenever you have to distribute into different object distribution into different groups. If one particular group is empty, take it out that group, throw it out of the room, and then do distribution by using sigma. All right, so much application of this can be happen. Okay. So this is the basic theory of except multinomial theorem. Basic theory of permutation combination. Now here, few cases which type of question generally people used to stress a lot for those kind of question, and they make theory and they learn formula, these that. I will not suggest you. You have to compact your theory. So much information you don't have to use. So some different type of question I want to discuss before starting the multinomial theorem. Okay, so this is the distribution of the different object. I'm just distribution part, I'm just going to compact it so that you can understand. Whenever distribution, the 2 situation will be there. Distribution, 2 situation. Distribution. Size of group defined, size of group predefined, and size of group not defined, size of group not given. Means it's not given that key how many which person will get how many objects, right? Size of group predefined. So only what case is there? Only one case for different object only. For different objects. Sir, why only for different object, not for identical object? Imagine a situation. Suppose I say A. Please listen carefully. If I go fast, please let me know. 6 identical object is there. I want to distribute into the 2 group. One group should contain 2 objects and other group should contain 4 objects. How many way we can done? Only one way. Only one way. Na? Size of group is already given. So 2 object, how many way you can select 2 object? One way. And 4 object, how many way you can select? One way. So that is one way. So that's why I never discuss about the identical object distribution into the case when the size of group predefined. Do you understand? Hello? Huh. And for this also the cases I told you. Number of object factorial by first group factorial, first group objects factorial into second group object factorial, and so on. If any particular group, 2 particular group or 3 particular group having same number of objects, that many factorial in division. If order is important, means person is there to receive the group, so into that one. I hope all of you remember. If size of group is not predefined, then there are 2 possibilities: identical objects and different objects. Sir, why you are talking identical and different here? Because if I say distribute these 6 objects into 2 groups, 2 boxes, size group is not there, then possibilities are there, right? There may be 1 object here, 5 object here. I know that key sending 1 here, sending 5, only one way is there. But this is the one possibility. There is a possibility like this also can be happen. There is a possibility like this can be happen. So like that counting, that is why there are so many possibilities. So identical, we discuss there is the formula simple n plus r minus 1 cr minus 1, and only this formula you have to remember. This is the what? Empty group allowed. Empty group allowed. Empty not allowed. So I told you, first fill the minimum condition and then solve it. So many formula, why should we learn? Hello. And if different, 2 possibility, empty group not allowed, r power n. R is the number of objects and n is the different, that one. Otherwise, sigma minus 1 power I, rci, r minus I. As I remember, you should remember it, power n. Generally, my memory is very weak. I don't remember the formula and all. But I know that the importance of this formula. That's why I'm saying. Is it clear to everybody? This is the overall structure of the distribution. There is nothing great about it. This is the overall structure. That structure you have to keep in mind. Now, so many different kind of the questions will be there. For every type of question, I should not create, okay, this kind of question is coming, do by this way. This kind of question is coming, do by this way. That will make you happy temporarily. For examination, it is not going to help you. Let me talk about the one type, particular type of question, which is a very much hype is there in the between the students. Before I come to that point, I wanted to ask you one simple question. Please read it. How many word can be formed using letters of कुछ भी ले लो. What I should take? Anything. Physics. You say every time mathematics you are taking, sir. I like physics also. Physics. Using the letters of the physics. Means all the letters you have to take. Which start from word. Start from PC. Means words should start from PC, like this. How many words are there which is written like this? Everybody can give me answer. How many possible words with or without meaning which will be in this format? How many letters? 3, 3, 6, 7. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 more, 7. Like that. Do you understand? Do you understand my question? It should be something like this. Yes. Everybody, quickly answer me. How many words can be formed using the letters of the word physics which start from PC? अरे तो फ्रॉम भाई वेरी सिंपल भाई टोटल 7 places are there 7 3 3 6 3 3 5 2 7 P and C already fixed here. I don't have to do anything. So from here, P and C are disappear. Now how many letters left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 places. So that will be 5 factorial. Is there any repetition? S is repeating 2 times. So by 2 factorial. So that will be equal to 60. Is it clear to everybody? Right? Next question. Main question I will come later. First, I will just creating what you can say. I'm giving you trailer of the questions. Using digits 1, 2, 3, 4. Using digits 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, using digit 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 4-digit number can be formed and arrange those in ascending order? Then at what number 2314 will come? Do you understand meaning of the question? If I'll form this number, how many numbers can be formed? 4-digit number, repetition not allowed. Repetition not allowed. Not allowed. How many 4-digit number? Very simple, 4 factorial. 24 numbers are there. So if those 24 number, if I will arrange in the sequence, at which position this will come? Do you understand meaning of the question? At which position 2314 will come? I hope everybody able to understand meaning of the question. Suppose I arrange some number 11, 12, 15, 17, 18, 21, ascending order. These are numbers are there. If I ask you at which number 17 will come, so you will say 1, 2, 3, fourth number. This is coming at the fourth number. This is called the rank of 17 also. In this list, this particular list, the rank of 17th is fourth. I hope I made question clear to you. Right? Now, check it. I know total 24 numbers are there. Bhai. First thing, when you arrange them ascending, first which kind of numbers will come? The number which start from 1. So how many number is there which start from 1? How many numbers are there which start from 1? I will say 3 factorial. 6 numbers are there. 100% they will be above this. Yes or no? Now, after that 2. Oh, that is my requirement. 2. After 2, I will not count. I will count after 2 in the ascending order who will come? 21. So 21, how many numbers are there which is start from 21? I will say 2 factorial, 2 number. Then how many numbers are there which start from 23? But that is the part of my question. 23. Then after 23, what will come? 1 will come. Yes, according to the sequence. And then 4 will come. Oh, any mistake I'm doing. 21, 23. No, no mistake. No mistake. Is it clear to everybody? So this is the number will come 2314. Means this is the ninth position. Ninth position. Those who did not understand or have difficulty, please let me know. I can re-explain, no problem. Anybody who did not understand, if you understood, then tell me answer of this. By using digits 1 1 2 3 4 5 digit number formed, then find rank of 31214 in that list. Did you understand meaning of the question? Carefully do, not to be in hurry, understand the logic. This is not a type, this is not a theorem or concept, it's just type of question, arrangement we have to do. Restricted permutation, nothing else. Okay, somebody give an answer. Chaliye, let's do. First thing is that we'll arrange the number. How many numbers are there which will start from 1? We will say they start from 1. How many numbers are there? So total 4 places, total 5 places are there. 1 is fixed here, and rest can be arranged in how many ways? 4 places and 4 objects, and all are different. So we'll say that ki 4 factorial. Yes or no? Now, that will be 4 factorial. The numbers which is start from 1. Now, I don't want that. Start from 2. I don't want any number which is start from 2, because my purpose is this. To start from 2, how many? 4 factorial by 2 factorial. Why this time by 2 factorial, sir? Because 1 2 time will come. Now, the number start from 3, and that is one of my sequence. So I will not count all, because in between them that is there. So after 3, what will come? After 3, according to this sequence, what is going to come first? 1. And that is one of my sequence. So I will count further. After 3 1 1, 3 1, what next can come? 1 can come. That is not my sequence, so I will count. So 3 1 1, how many numbers are there? We'll say 2 factorial. Now 3 1 and this one, next what will be? 2, but that is my sequence. So after that, what next will come? 1 will come, that is my sequence. Next, what will come? 4, that is my number. So I got my number. Before this, how many numbers are there? 24, and this will be what? 12, and this will be 2. So this is the 24, 26, 36, 38, 39th. I may do calculation mistake. If I am doing, please let me know, or any other mistake. The rank will be 39th. The rank will be 39. Do you understand what actually we are doing? Those who did not give the 39 answer, only one student given the answer immediately. Not immediately, taken time. One more corrected. This is the only student given. Rest nobody given. Please give me confirmation. Is it clear, or want me to repeat any particular point? I did not get confirmation from the so many people. Only 2-3 people given confirmation. Everybody give it. See, right now I'm talking as a rank. It may be asked in different way. You have to understand what exactly meaning of the question. That's all. Similarly, I can make it in different way. I can say, okay, uh, what is rank of, what is rank of, कुछ भी ले लो. What I should take it? Banana. This is the old JEE question. That's why I am asking. If we arrange these letters in alphabetic order, as like dictionary, if you arrange the letters of the banana in order of the dictionary, so what will be rank of banana? Did you understand meaning of the question? If we arrange the letters of the banana in as like dictionary, what will be the rank of banana? Okay, only one person given answer. Rest people, please go ahead and give me answer. Let's see. When we write in the alphabetic order, so first it will come start with the A. How many letters are there? 3, 3, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will start with the A. So now these 5 places can be filled by. Now, if you arrange this in alphabetic order, it will look something like that: A, B, A 3 times, B, and then your N 2 times. So 1A I take in, so 2A, so total 5 is left it out. So we'll say this can be, we start with the A, that will be 5 factorial by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. By arrangement of what you have to do. This starting with the A means what? Here, in this total places, what can come? 2A, 1B, 2N. So 5 object arrangement, 5 factorial. By since their interchanging is not allowed, so by 2 factorial, 2 factorial. So that will become 120 divided by 4 means 30. Now, start with the B, but B is our requirement. So after this, what will come? BA. This also I will not count because there is my requirement. Next, what will come? BA. Again A, that is not my requirement. So I will count BAA. So now 3 more places. So BAA gone. So what is left? A and N left. So that will be 3 factorial by 2 factorial. That is 3. Now, next what will be? BAA. After A, what will come? B I use, A I use, then N will come. That is my requirement. After N, what the next will come? A will come. Right? That is again my requirement. Then next, what is going to come in that? B, A, N, A. The next. N, A, B, A, N, A. Then after that, again, nothing. A will come. That is the only one. Am I right? Then B, A, N, A, N. And after that, our word itself came. So 30 plus 3, 33, 34. So 34 words are above. So this rank will become 35th. Am I clear to everyone? 35th rank. So this is called the rank-based question. So rank-based question, we deal like that. So this is the basic theory of the permutation combination we discussed. Now you are free to try any kind of the questions. The next lecture we will be learning multinomial theorem. By that, your permutation combination will be over from my side. And after that one lecture we will be spending, that is the big lecture, around 2-3 hours. That is the PYQ of old JEE. All old JEE questions we will do one by one in the class. So by that it will be completed. A complete permutation combination will be done. So the next class will be doing multinomial theorem, one of the very interesting concept. Whole permutation combination doing by using coefficient method. Means whatever we did till now, that we can do by using coefficient method. Either it's a distribution or it's a selection, including arrangement. Of course, arrangement we don't use multinomial theorem. We use multinomial theorem only for the selection and distribution. So as usual, every time's habit, one of the homework, and let me see, this is the old JEE question, but don't try to search solution on the net. Use your brain and try to solve this question. This is the objective question, but option I remove. Option I remove. Let me see how many of you are able to see none. Next class, before next class, those students who are given correct answer, their name, I will ask my office people to put in the pin in the comment. And before starting class, the name will be appearing. Right, chaliye. Thank you very much to all of you. See all of you in the next class. Thank you.